What's up, everybody? Just wanted to let you know in this video I don't do a whole lot of talking or really explain what I'm doing. Basically, I'm just going out on a night ride trying to explore this area because it's kind of filled with traffic, and I didn't want to take my bike out here during the day if I didn't know where I was going. So that's what I was doing today, and just wanted you to know I did not do a whole lot of talking, and really I just took a lot of pictures. Well, shit. How do I get over there where I want to go on the bike? Stand there and wait? Do I go all the way down there and then cross? I guess I could try that. I know for a fact that they have a crossing section over here, so we'll try it. I gotta use a lot of energy. Well, I could technically ride to Walmart. Oh, this food smells good. Oh, this isn't even the road I want to be on. I gotta go down and then make a right. So we'll do that before I run out of juice. Although I have quite a bit left. So let's go this way. Drive down this parking lot. We're almost to 100 miles, so it'd be pretty neat if I could get a photo of my bike at 100 miles. That'd be pretty neat, I guess. Just the little things. They just finished redoing this road. I don't know if they were doing like sewer repair or something like that. Adding water lines, I'm not really sure. But they had this road all messed up. See, there's a bike shop there. I don't know why they don't have any bike lanes on this road. They should. So the other day when I went to the park and I went down the one road and it was all blocked off because they're redoing something there as well. It might be extending, I guess, the water pipe repair that they did. But this is the spot I wanted to go to. Hopefully nobody's around here, so I'm gonna cross. And we're gonna go get our pictures taken at night right here. I just wanted to see what we can do because that is pretty cool. We'll see how much I can get. Oh yeah, this night shot's so sweet. That's a pretty cool building. Oh, it's a Metro electric supply. I didn't even know they had one of those here. Apparently, I need to do some work in there. Shop. Alright, lanes closed ahead. This way. Can't really get on that sidewalk, so. Over there is my local bike shop. I need to visit them. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can do it myself, actually. Well, this is nice. This is new. They need to build sidewalks and bike lanes and stuff like that for everywhere. here comes our big journey home. Oh, we're not going to do that yet because I still got several miles to go before. Now I could go all the way down that road, but I can't just stop in the middle of the road and take a picture of my Speedo. But I guess I will because I don't want to waste time. I'm sure there's a place off here somewhere that I can stop. I have a whole mile to figure it out, so I'll just have to keep an eye on it, as well as keep an eye on the damn road. Well, that was fairly easy. So I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm gonna listen to music the rest of the way. So thanks for tuning in. I didn't have much to talk about tonight. I just wanted to do a night ride and found a pretty good spot for pictures, so probably go back there another night. Maybe I'll have more to say then. We'll see. But for now, I'm gonna hit up the music and have a nice stroll home, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this one or any of the other videos I made, please give me a like on it and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will soon be releasing several videos of how-tos and demonstrations and maintenance and things like that. I just hit 100 miles on my bike, as you can see here, and that means that I need to check everything over, make sure the brakes are good. They are a little loose here, which really all I can need to do here is probably adjust this. So we'll have to get everything tight. Looks like everything's still pretty good. But soon enough we'll have a new motor and be able to travel longer, faster, and all that good stuff. So 100-mile maintenance video coming soon. Front hub motor install coming soon. All kinds of stuff coming soon. You never know. I'll probably add some more LED lights to my bike for night rides like this. So until the next time, I'll catch you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in and have a nice night.